Hi, my name is Justin Doss, and for my final project, I wanted to replace the motherboard of an existing ANET A8 3D printer with a simplified version using the 18-mega 1284 microcontroller. Now, this project had several complexities, including controlling several NEMA 17 stepper motors, using a 100K thermistor as a temperature sensor through analog to digital conversion, and heating the extruder with dynamic PWM that uses feedback from the temperature sensor. Now, unfortunately, I did not get time to implement external file storage, so the printer is currently running a hard-coded G-code file that contains the first layer of the test cube you see on the print bed. This was a result of issues with some of the other hardware components, such as the power supply for the breadboard not being able to give the stepper motors enough current to function properly. And as a result of that, only two of the stepper motors can actually operate at the same time in the current implementation. And even then, they have trouble turning to move the extruder gantry and print bed to its min and max values. Overall, though, I'm pleased with what I accomplished on this project, given the time we were allotted to work on it, and I hope you enjoyed the demonstration.